Hi everyone, you're welcome to Mary's Lifestyle TV. My name is Mary. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much. Please keep watching and bringing more people. God bless you. And today I'm going to take you through my shop. I'm having wholesale prices, and there's going to be an online sale as well. For Black Friday, I am offering grab bags. This product here, I have different types. I'm going to be showing you, so you can buy one. Is in different. This is 6 yards, this is 6 yards. Each of them here is 6 yards, but you can buy, different, maybe like 2 yards, depending on the yardage that you want. You can always contact me. I have another one. This is a lovely print, very lovely print here. You can contact me. I have them. It's cheap. It's Black Friday sale. Look at it here. I love this red is so nice, gorgeous. I love it. I love this as well. Ooh, this is lovely. I love the design. The pattern is so gorgeous. I love the pattern, and it's so soft, touching it, it feels so good on the body. I love this. I have them here. So depending on how many yards you want, if you want 2 yards, if you want maybe 6, the whole yards, you can buy it. Inbox me, or you can check on my website. I'm going to upload them as soon as I can. I'm going to upload this on my website. Yeah, I love what I have here. Yes, I have this other lovely fabric as well. Look at that. Look at the flower. Just thought of this. Assuming you make this as a dress or even a jacket, this can be at the back, at the center of the back, and you highlight it with a bit of design following the flower pattern, and to look really gorgeous. That's gorgeous there. I love them. I love them. I love. I love all of them. And this blue. Ooh, this is so warm. I love this. All the colors look like me. The colors look like me. That's so gorgeous. I love this one. This one is the most popular ketenge. Everybody knows ketenge. This is ketenge. Yep, ketenge. So please, I am still selling them. I only shut down this retail outlet. The business is still online. Keep patronizing. And also, if you want to make a dress, I'm available to make. Oh, look at them. I need to get up. How do I get up with this? So this is it. This is it. Come on, bye. Going, gone. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. God bless you as you join me. Please come and buy. Look at this. Is a nice fabric here. Let me just show you. Oh, my hands. This is it. You see? Let me stand like this. Can you see? Lovely. Excellent. It's kind of good to bring humor to business as well, so I'm glad I was able to add a little humor to the business. So this is the fabrics that are all still available on the website and also in the store. So if you're interested, just give me a call on my WhatsApp. I'm going to leave the link, the number, my Instagram, and I am also going to leave all other social medias which you can use to reach me in order to purchase your own fabric or make a new cloth or whatever you want to do. And like I said, I also mentor people on how to start their small businesses like what I'm doing now, you can be part of it. I have them for wholesale. They are all available in the store. I have wholesale price. This skirt I've already shown and it's gone already. We still have them, about few months are still there. So if you're interested, you can contact me. We have different colors, and we still have those colors that you're seeing are still available because I make them, in kind of collection. If you are interested, check on the website, call me. I have scarf. As you can see, I'm gorgeously dressed. I went for a barbecue and I wore that. It was really gorgeous. There's no boundary, there's no limit wearing African attire. You can wear them to work these days. You can wear them to any function depending on the combination. This is really nice, so I would like you guys to be part of this movement. Let's take African fabric to everybody's doorsteps. It's gorgeous. It's a nice, lovely, warm colors, very bold, very bold. So help me, let's take it there. And please remember to subscribe as you're shopping, as you're feeding your eyes. Don't just feed your eyes. Go ahead, click on that button to subscribe. Go to my website, place your own order, invite a friend to join, to buy. Black Friday is coming. I'm doing wholesale for Black Friday. So be part of it. Click, give me a call, and let's talk. So there's going to be bonuses as well on the week of Black Friday, and I love to give out bonuses. So as you're watching this video, just keep an eye because you might be one of the lucky winners on this video. Again, there's going to be grab bags. So on those bags, there's going to be some mystery items, on the bag for you to grab. So if you're interested, I'm going to leave the grab bags as well online. I wanted to just do it only on the outlet which I have already booked to showcase my things on that weekend, but I'm going to be generous so everyone can be part of it. So you can come into check on the website, go on my website, you'll see some grab bags there. So once you get it, anything, I don't just put crabs on my bags. This grabs bag, GRAB, is grab bag. So once you get it, you purchase the bag, what you see inside is going to amaze you. Be part of it and support me. It's one way of saying, Mary, well done. Black business must grow. So come support me. Alright guys, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you really enjoy what you're seeing and you're going to go on my website to purchase. Thank you so much for watching, and if this is your first time, please continue to come back to watch and remember to subscribe. And for the all subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. Continue to send my link to other people to subscribe and send it to your friends and loved ones, and come back next time to join me here. I love you so much. God bless. Bye.